Welcome to PrepFST. Today I'll be giving you an explained video for the Sunday Quiz Series 1, which was on the topic of technology of fruits and vegetables. So, question number 1 asked for the TSS of fruit drinks. Now, something that you have to always keep in mind is that all the exams that relate to food technology always and always ask for these standard values. So, go to the FSSAI website, search for these values and note it down in a table, and you have to remember it by heart. So, I have listed some of these here, and as you can see from the table, the TSS of fruit drink is 10%. Coming to the question number 2, the optimum temperature of fruit ripening. So, the answer is 20 degrees Celsius, and if I have to say the RH is 90 to 95%. This is the optimum conditions for fruit ripening. Question number 3 asked for chill injury mostly occurs in which fruit? To answer this question, I'll first explain what chill injury is. Chill injury is basically a defect seen in some fruits and vegetables at temperatures above the freezing temperature, which can be around 0 to 1 degree Celsius. Now what happens is there is weakening of tissues that causes browning, pitting, there can be decay, spots, some discoloration, or they can be a dull color. Now some fruits and vegetables tend to display some or all of these symptoms. If I have to quote some examples, the best example is tomato and banana. Now these type of fruits, basically tomato is also a kind of fruit, are kept best at temperatures above 13 degrees Celsius. So below this temperature, they show symptoms of chill injury. Coming to the next question, bitterness in fruits is due to. It is a well-known fact that flavonoids in some foods can well convert to naringens that are very bitter compounds. So, they are responsible for bitterness in fruits. Next question is asking for fruits are generally deficient in. So, fruits contain a lot of starch, a lot of sugar, which is a form of carbohydrate. So, carbohydrate is not a right answer. It is a storehouse of vitamins. So, vitamins is also not the answer. Fruits are abundant in water, and some fruits tend to have 99% of water. So, the answer is proteins. Next question. Clarifying agent used in fruit juices. What is a clarifying agent? Now, if you must know, when we extract a fruit juice, there are some fine fiber particles that make the juice look hazy. Now, in order to reduce those fibers and to coagulate them, we use certain clarifying agent. An example of these agents are gelatin and pectin. Now, if I have to explain the other options, renin is a proteolytic enzyme that is used for the coagulation of cheese, and its major use is in the dairy industry. Lecithin is a stabilizer and a thickener. Calcium propionate, which is the calcium salt of propionic acid, it is a common bread and meat preservative. So it is used for inhibiting the growth of mold and other bacteria. The next question, it's a pretty simple one. Citrus fruits are an excellent source of ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. The next question asked for the concentration of sugar syrup in canning of fruits. Please remember the exact value that the syrup used is ranging from 35 to 40%. The most appropriate answer that matched it was option B, 20 to 40%. If I talk about the brine, then the optimum concentration of brine for canning of vegetables is 2%. We don't use brine for the canning of fruits. Next, pineapple is a compound fruit. There is a certain classification of fruits that you can see. So, according to this classification, pineapple is a compound fruit. Next question. Which of the following is a climatic fruit? I have been sharing few articles and one of them mentioned about the distinguish between climatic and non-climatic fruit. I hope you guys have learned it, and so according to that the answer is mango. This is it from the last Sunday quiz series, and please let me know what all topics you want me to cover in the quizzes and the feedback for this one. Thank you.